Hi everyone. So today wave 4 progressed as we discussed yesterday that we are in wave 4 and we kept falling down as part of it. And now if you look at this structure, it may look like a 5-wave structure where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? But if you will look at the internals of this 3, you will realize that even though this also subdivides into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this third is the smallest of this 1, 3 and 5. So as you know, for a motive wave to be valid, third cannot be shortest. So basically this is not really a third. So this is more likely a W, X, Y, X, Z, a corrective structure, right? So which fits in within our wave 4 theory, right? So but some of you may have noticed that something interesting has happened with today's move. And if I go to daily, it will be more clear. So now, if you know, just to reiterate, this was wave 1, that green 1 or A. Then we had a retracement in 2B. And now we are in 3 or C, right? Within 3 or C, we have done 1 and we have done 2. And we are doing 3 of 3 or C. And our idea was that this was one of that 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But now if you look at today's move, what has happened is this fourth has overlapped with this one, right? So that makes it a bit interesting because this is the third wave, right? This one. And within third wave, we cannot have any overlaps. Overlap in a motive wave essentially means it is either a leading diagonal or a ending diagonal, right? And wave 3 is not the place for either of them to be a valid one because leading diagonals occur in wave 1 or wave A and ending diagonals occur in wave 5 or wave C. So, and this is not any of those cases, right? So this is wave 3. So that gives us two alternatives the way I see it. So one alternative is this is an ending diagonal where what we are considering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is essentially a C because it can only happen in C, and this 1 was actually A and this 2 was B and then this 3 is actually C. So this A, B, C basically will become corrective structure, right? And then we might have some other correction like on a downside and further more corrections on the upside or whichever direction. So point is this could evolve as a corrective structure from 2B, right? What we are considering 2B. So it could actually be B and not 2. And so this will be A, B, and then we have some corrective structure unfolding, right? So that's one alternative. Let me mark it. So basically what we are saying is this is A, B, and let me also color it differently so we know. Okay, so this is the alternative, one alternative, that this is not 1, 2, 3. This is actually A, B and C of some degree. We don't know yet of what degree. And we don't need to at this stage. We just need to follow the price action and figure out what's going on. So this is B and then this is C. So this is one alternative case. It's becoming too cluttered, but I guess to accommodate these alternatives we have no other way. We'll clean it up once we know for sure that what exactly is going on, right? So that is the first alternative. What is the second alternative? Second alternative is what I think most people will be more interested in, because that is a bullish case, and it actually makes the bullish case even further bullish. How? So we have this 1, A, 2 or B, and then within 3 we have 1, 2, and we were supposedly in 3 of 3C. So basically this overlap could also mean, which I believe is probably more likely, so this 5 wave is actually extending into 9 waves. So basically what is happening is this might evolve into something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And that's when this 3, which we thought will complete, this will complete here. So it's becoming a bit messy, but I hope this will make it clear. So basically this is 1, 2, and then this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be the third of this third, so it's kind of further subdivision, and then fourth and fifth. So basically what we were thinking of this 5 wave structure, it will become a 9 wave structure. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 3 will be complete, and then 4 and 5, right? So that is the other alternative. Let me mark it in a different color. So, and this is the bullish alternative, right? So this is what I think is happening. One of these things are happening, but we will know for sure once we have further price action in front of us. Going back to the hourly chart, I think what we have just done is, if it is a bullish alternative, this is just one leg of third, and then there will be 2, 3, 4, 5, then fourth and fifth, which will complete the third. So if it is sounding too complex, I highly recommend that you watch the Learning Elliott Wave playlist in the channel. It shouldn't take more than 2 hours for watching all the videos, and that would give you more clarity on how Elliott waves, fractals, motive waves, corrective waves, everything works, and that would also help you understand what I'm saying in these videos. So for the time being, I think even if it is the bearish case, right? In bullish case, we know that after this we should move up, but even in the bearish case, we should still have one leg, the fifth one, on the upside pending in C, right? So this is one. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth of C. So in both the cases, we still have some upside left after this, and if it is the bullish case, then we will have much more upside left in this move. I know it was a bit long and probably a more complicated one as well, because there were too many fractals to consider, but I hope you still found it useful. And that's all for this video. I will see you tomorrow.